Ever dreamed about owning your own hospitality business? Maybe a guest house by the sea, or a hotel in the countryside? Today, we're here at number 17 on the Promenade, talking to the owner of this newly renovated luxury hotel, Paul Sloan. He'll be chatting to us about his experience of the hospitality industry in Scotland and how the Cumberland has supported him and his business.
My name is Paul Sloan. I've been in the hospitality sector, fortunately, for 35 plus years. I started even longer than that. As a kid, we grew up in our family's restaurants, fish and chip shops, different sectors. We're in number 17 The Promenade. It's a beautiful boutique 19-bedroom hotel located right on the sea in the town of Oban. I had purchased the previous hotel, and shortly after it, the owners of this particular building called me up and said, "Would you like to buy another one?" And I jumped at the opportunity. The level of work required to get it to this beautiful finished condition, we had to basically strip the building back to the stone in order to insulate it, rewire it, replumb it, and fit it to today's world standards of technology that will control temperatures in rooms. We took down a lot of structural parts of the buildings to create the spaces we needed to create the right environment for our guests. The support received from the Cumberland was about 60% of the entire project, so we did it in two different ways. Part was acquisition and then part was the redevelopment. It was important for me to find the right lender that could support this type of business, and through mutual banking connections we were introduced to the Cumberland, and since the very start the process, the relationship has been way beyond any words I could actually say. Because now with normal conventional banking it's extremely difficult to move forward with any projects, but the level of personal attention that goes into the day-to-day process of borrowing from a bank, Cumberland have been exceptional to deal with.
I'm Grant Seaton, Senior Commercial Manager for the Cumberland. Hospitality businesses should choose the Cumberland because of our high level of expertise. We're fully relationship managed package. We're award-winning with Platinum FIFO awards for service, and we lend nationwide.
Working with Grant has been for me one of the easiest banking processes in decades, because he's available whenever you call, whatever I need, whatever difficulties may be about to appear, get solved, streamlined, and we work as a team, really bank to vendor to make sure the process is done fast.
Working with Paul in this venture has been truly inspiring. Paul is an amazing operator, and it's been brilliant to be on this journey with him.
If I've got any advice for someone who wants to either grow in this industry or start, find the right bank, design it, envision it, imagine it, and do it. My favourite part with the Cumberland is they answer the phone, they do what they say they're going to do, they finish the project, and they allow us to be hoteliers and restaurateurs. I would recommend the Cumberland to any other business owners because they do what they say they're going to do, and at the end of the day they take time to look at your business and understand it and work with you through the whole journey. That's Cumberland hospitality for you.